IP violations. Impact on ISF filing explained. Welcome back to our channel, your go-to source for all things related to customs brokerage and international trade. In today's video, we will be discussing the impact of intellectual property violations on ISF filing regulations. Intellectual property (IP) violations can have significant consequences for importers, and it's crucial to understand how these violations can affect the importer security filing (ISF) process. So let's dive right in. First, let's understand what intellectual property violations entail. Intellectual property refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, symbols, and names used in commerce. These creations are protected by laws, and any unauthorized use or infringement of intellectual property rights is considered a violation. Examples of IP violations include counterfeit goods, trademark infringement, copyright piracy, and patent infringement. Now, let's see how intellectual property violations can impact ISF filing regulations. The ISF is a mandatory filing that importers or their authorized agents need to submit to the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) prior to the arrival of goods into the United States. It provides important information on the cargo, such as the shipper, consignee, bill of lading number, and a detailed description of the goods. When it comes to intellectual property violations, CBP takes them very seriously. They have a dedicated unit called the Intellectual Property Rights (IPR) branch, which works to prevent counterfeit and pirated goods from entering the United States. This means that if your imported goods are found to be in violation of IP rights, it can lead to significant complications in the ISF process. One of the potential impacts of IP violations on ISF filing regulations is the increased scrutiny of your shipments by CBP. If your goods have been flagged for IP violations in the past, CBP may subject your future shipments to more thorough inspections. This can cause delays in the clearance process and result in increased storage costs and potential fines. Another impact is the potential denial of entry for infringing goods. If CBP determines that your imported goods are in violation of intellectual property rights, they have the authority to deny entry to those goods. This means that not only will your shipment be delayed or confiscated, but you may also face legal consequences and financial losses. It's crucial for importers to take proactive measures to avoid intellectual property violations and the subsequent impact on ISF filing regulations. One way to do this is by working with reputable suppliers and manufacturers who respect IP rights. Conducting thorough due diligence on the origin and authenticity of the goods can help mitigate the risk of infringement. Additionally, seeking guidance from customs brokers and customs attorneys who specialize in intellectual property can provide valuable assistance in navigating the complex landscape of IP rights and ISF regulations. These professionals can help ensure that your ISF filings are compliant and reduce the risk of encountering IP violations. In conclusion, intellectual property violations can have far-reaching consequences on the ISF filing process. From increased scrutiny and delays to the potential denial of entry, importers must prioritize understanding and respecting IP rights to avoid these complications. We hope you found this video informative and valuable. If you have any further questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Disclaimer notification below.